Hello everyone. So today we will see how we can create a list for result. For example, if a student is pass, you manually type as pass. If somebody is fail, you manually type as fail or not appeared as the result may be. But instead of typing it manually, we can create a list like this. So you just type these results somewhere in one column and delete it from here. Now select the area where you want to create a list and then go to data. Under data we have data validation. Under data validation go to list. Instead of any value, you create a list. Now as source file, you select these three cells. Source is selected and you just press OK. Now you see the result is here: pass, fail or not appeared as per your requirement. So instead of typing that manually, you can create a list and impress your audience. Please do not delete the source data, because if you delete this data, you will not be able to find it under the list, right? And the suggestion is right click here and hide this column, and you will be able to give the result as per your requirement. Thank you. Have fun.